I'm Dr. Imrana Rahman from Janm IVF Center. From follicles to future babies. Have you ever wondered how the ovum pickup is done and how it is translated into a beautiful life, and it comes, so every egg retrieved is from follicle to follicle. We are going egg by egg, we are going to retrieve the eggs. As you can see, the patient comes sterile, in a sterile OT, in an environment, no cuts, no scars, just no stitches, just a precision ultrasound guided ovum pickup, which has to be really meticulous and precise, and it has very less time, only 10 to 25 minutes. All the eggs are retrieved. Before that, we make a preparation of 12 days by giving injections to maximize the number of the eggs and stimulate the ovaries. And then this is how we are going to demonstrate you the ovum pickup through ultrasound guidance. And here you can see the ultrasound images of all the ova, which are nicely in a nice arrangement, and a gentle anesthesia. The patient is lying down, cozy, comfortable, no pain, and this will will aspirate it, and this will make way to the lab, and where the lab does the magic, and the embryologist who's there, he'll separate, because every egg is surrounded by a cumulosophorous complex, a cloud of cells which will be separated. An egg will be removed and it will be under the stereo microscope examination to know the maturity, because the time starts there, and that is very critical window. And you have to have an M2 oocyte, because that shows the maturity of the egg, and then it is put into the incubator under 37 degrees centigrade, 5 to 6% of carbon dioxide and low oxygen tension, which simulates the environment of the tubes as the eggs are in the tubes. So it simulates the body temperature, and from there the lot of sperms are exposed, almost 1,000, to make it fertilize, and then the real story begins. So this is how we are aspirating follicle by follicle all the follicular fluid, and the egg comes into the needle and it is aspirated till the last drop, and we have to empty those follicles beautifully so that none is left. And these are the future babies. Every follicle has a hope, every follicle is a possibility, every follicle holds a possibility of a future baby. So you have to be very precise and meticulous, not damaging the surrounding vessels and only aspirating the follicles, and with the total comfort zone of the patient and in a sterile environment. So this is how it is done. This is a bench top incubator. Now we have adopted the technique of ultra fast freezing, and the embryos are sleeping where the life process is all still, time is all still, and it is vitrified, because vitrification has revolutionized the process of IVF with a very high success rate, because there is no ice crystal formation, no damage to the cell, no damage to the cell wall, DNA, other organelles, and the viability of the embryo is wonderful. Even after thawing those frozen embryos, there is 95% survival. So we have adopted a technique of freeze, three musketeer approach and freeze all strategy, where even the embryos are better than the natural cycle embryos, that is the fresh ones. So the embryos will be staying as long as you want it to be, and they will be frozen into this cryocans at not at -80, not at -30, but at -196 with a liquid nitrogen, which will be demonstrating tomorrow, and you can stay tuned.